Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosto Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uguhle and Mandisa Dandala, they are getting a divorce after Baby two guys for years. They two started dating in primary Bashada and Babane Bandwana Labaitu, and now they are getting a divorce. This is after Uguhle the guy cheated on Mandisa Kesana. Guys, kwasi kwaba buhlungu. Last week in Jena, another YouTuber u-Anelisiwe naye u-announce ukuthi yena naLuthando myeni wakhe they are getting a divorce. Another futhi couple from Defining uMandisa and Uguhle, they were content creators and YouTubers, and ngiyalo futhi sekudivorce abona guys, kwazi kuba buhlungu kakhulu ukuthi abantu lesibajwayele lesibadiko lesibathandzako lapha ku-social media they are now going their separate ways. Bake baba khona lapha ku-Defining where they were defining uthando labo, and mali abaningi bebabathandza ngendlela lesimanga. Nami bengibathandza nje mina. I was watching their videos even lapha ku-YouTube. So keep a statement uMandisa lasikhiphe laphana ku-Instagram asibhala ukuthi why baze bafike le decision lena, nokusho nje ukuthi yena she can't stand indoda lechithako. Kubuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga guys, kubuhlungu, and bobona ngokuthi vele the guy nguye lo at fault. Uthi after deep reflection and painful thought, I've chosen to end my marriage with a man who forgot what commitment means. It's not a decision I made lightly, but loyalty, love, and trust are non-negotiables. I refuse to raise my children in a lie or let them think betrayal is love. My children will grow up seeing their mother who chose strength over silence and self-aware over betrayal. To the men who broke my vows, or to the man who broke his vows, thank you for the lesson in self-respect, because now I walk strong, smarter, and unshakably clear on what I will never tolerate again. I won't speak on his choices. They speak for themselves. I'll speak on mine. I choose healing. I choose peace. I choose a life where love, honest is honest. Here's to turning heartbreak into power and broken trust into beautiful boundaries. Lastly, to everyone else, I'm not broken, I'm becoming. Thank you to everyone that supported us, especially on YouTube. You'll always be my day ones as born. Guys, kwasi kwaba buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. So le statement aMandisa lasikhiphe laphana ku-Instagram, uyabona nje ukuthi Uguhle was now cheating on her, amjolela, kungasekho communication, kungasana kuthembana ku-that marriage. And obvious umuntu ngingamane decide akwenda sona at his first attempt akuvami. Tshela ukuthi vele kuhle into leni yokuchitha bese kuthi induda yakhe sekade ijwayele. So uMandisa wabona ukuthi you know what, I'm not gonna stand for this. Yo guys, kwaba buhlungu. I'm so heartbroken nje nami. I'm still shocked futhi ukuthi the two are really going their separate ways, but boythuna sibafisela lokuhle. Looking forward. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.